Hi everyone. First of all, thank you all for coming. It really matters a lot for us to present our final project from the past 2 weeks to such a great public as you. My name is Pedro, Yannick, Ayusha, and Chris here. And just a bit of context before we start demonstrating our product. As Rui was saying, like our product fits in the middle of two business, right? So our value proposition is to ease the processes between two business transactions in this case. And what the model that we chose to present to you the benefits of using the solution, it's actually a role play, right? Where Chris is a business, Ayusha is a business, Chris is the owner of a construction company called Corbuild, and Ayusha it's the supplier, construction material supplier, Kubricks. And this role play will have two parts, right? So the first part, the transaction between these two businesses without Nodal, without our solution, and the second part, the same exact transaction, but with the users of Nodal. And I think you guys will spot the differences, but you let me know in the end. So for that reason, I think we can start. Part one, let's go.
What an exhausting day. I need to go back and forth with the email, check everything by my own. Yeah. Oh, I almost forgot that we have a 20% discount set on a product. So let me just inform my client by calling them, who is Chris from Corbuild, right? So let's go. Toot.
Hello, this is Chris from Corbuild speaking, CEO.
Hi, Chris. This is Ayusha from Kubricks. I just wanted to inform you that there is a 20% discount on a product that you used for building a Zurich city center. It's valid from this day to the end of the month. So I hope you'll enjoy the discount. Also, on top of that, we are offering 5% discount on every order that is above 50,000 francs. So
Perfect. Thank you. We just reached stage 2. We're about to finish the third floor of our building, so you called at the right time. The only issue that we were having is last time you didn't send enough, so can I please order twice as much?
yeah, sure. Let me just quickly open up the file, Excel file, to see if there is. Yeah, okay. I'll just double it and send the final code to you. Could you please confirm it and resend it back? Also, I will need the delivery date. When are you expecting the delivery?
All right, let's start the new year with a bang. January 5th, 2026. Perfect date. I think that's where we should go.
Okay, thank you. I'll see you soon.
Thank you.
Okay, let me just focus because I don't want to, make an error and upset Chris like last time. Let me double the quantities.
All right, so I think this ends up the part one of our presentation. So was a traditional transaction between two businesses, right? So Ayusha had some discounts, right? And the typical way to let the clients to know about discounts is giving them a call. Luckily, Chris was actually in need of some bricks and he placed an order. So usually these don't happen often, but what is going to happen now? So there's an Excel file with several fields. Ayusha will have to make a quotation, manually input the entire discount that it just offered, send a quotation to Chris. Chris will review, check all the prices, send it back to Ayusha. Ayusha will, okay, nice, send it to the internal system and then fulfill the order, right? So this is typical. This is what happens nowadays, right? And Nodal steps in, right? So what's our value proposition? I think you guys will see, but the same transaction, same business. Let's see.
Okay, what a wonderful day. Let me just go check a dashboard of our Kubricks and Nodal. Let's see, our sales has been pretty good. Oh yeah, of course. I forgot about the discount that we want to implement in a product. Let me just create a discount. Look for a product name Modular Rock NF. Yeah, and then I want to set up to maybe 20%. Yeah. Of a minimum quantity of 500, and I want to set it from today until the end of this month. All right, let me just check if everything is on place. Yup, let's create the discount. I see the pop-up there, so discount has been created and the email has been sent to our clients directly. Let me just check if other discounts are still available. Yes, I see 5% discount for order up to 50,000, right? Okay, now I'll just lay back, do my nails, and see how many customers I attract.
Perfect, perfect. Oh, it's hard being a CEO. I have to check all these emails all the time. All right, now. Oh, we got an email from Kubrick's. It's about for a Nodal dashboard. Modular brick NF, 20% off. Amazing. Let me view the product. Ah, you see, this is life. Easy, simple. Let me check the orders for the history of the orders that I've ordered previously, obviously. Okay. Hit the view button. Nice user interface. Simple. Okay. We got to double the orders for next month. So 425, 850, you know. Ah, perfect. And we just keep doubling. More money, more money. Everything's good. Perfect, perfect. Keep doubling. Ah. All right. So what else do I need? What do you think I would need more, Pedro?
I mean, I think it's been a great year. So go big or go home. Let's enjoy the discounts. Let's make the double on the promotion, right? So modular brick times 2. Go.
New year with a bang. Let's go. 2026. It's going to be a movie. Ah, perfect. Now we got to set it up for the date. Boom. First month, January 5th, 2026. Yes. And now we place our order.
My nails look good. Oh wow, I already see an email coming up that our order has been placed. Wow, I see our discounts working. What a wonderful day to live, eh? No work for me. Just sit back, relax, and more time to pamper myself.
All right, so I think this concludes our presentation of part 2. Same transactions as you can see. So this is what the value proposition that Nodal was created on. So more time to think about the business, less errors generated, and less upset clients, and more money at the end of the day, right? So thank you all for coming. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.